Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify all the parts using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Place the cabinet doors face down on your work surface and apply the included rubber door bumpers. These will help prevent denting the finish when we attach the doors to the face frame and keep the doors flush with the frame. Insert the soft close hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of each door and use your power drill to fasten them with the tapered edge screws. Close the hinges and then carefully lay the face frame on top of the doors with the grooves facing up. The hinges should align with the pre-drilled holes where you will fasten the hinges with the shorter pan-style screws. Use your drill to attach the L brackets. Locate the two side panels and slide them into the grooves until flush with the top and bottom of the face frame, using the rubber mallet to gently tap them into place if needed. Fasten with screws into the L brackets. When the two side panels are installed, slide the bottom panel of the cabinet into the grooves in the side panels. You may gently tap it into place with the rubber mallet to ensure a secure fit. Locate the back panel, sliding it into the two vertical grooves on the back of the face frame. There will be a groove towards the bottom of the back panel for the bottom panel to fit into. Use your nail gun to secure the side panels to the back panel from the side of the cabinet. Next, use your power drill and included black sheetrock style screws to further secure the back panel via the pre-drilled holes on the frame of the back panel. Finally, flip the cabinet into the correct position and insert your shelf pins into the holes at your desired height and carefully angle the shelf panel into place. Congratulations for completing your assembly. Stand back and enjoy your beautiful new cabinets.